Hello, welcome back. Now that you know how to create an XML view, it's time to fill it with controls. In SAP UFI, we primarily use the SAP.yum library. The yum originally stood for mobile, but today it is the default library for all responsive apps, whether they run on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Let's look at the four categories of controls every developer must master. So the four categories are display controls, input and action controls, layout and container controls, list and table controls. They are used to show the information to the user without interaction. So first, let's see display controls. sap.yum.text, sap.yum.label, sap.yum.image, sap.yum.title. These are the display controls. Text control used for simple non-editable text. Label control used for uh, input labels. It is similar to text but used specifically to identify input fields. Image is used to display icon and photos. Titles are used for larger, bold text used for headings within a page. Input and action controls, essential interaction element. These controls form the foundation of user engagement. Simple text entry to complex form submissions. They are your primary tools for building interactive applications. sap.yum.button triggers action when pressed. sap.yum.input the most common way to capture text or numbers. You can enable features like value help or suggestions as the user types. sap.yum.text area for multi-line comments or descriptions. sap.yum.checkbox and radio buttons for making binary or multiple choice selections. And the third one is layout and container controls. To organize your buttons and input nicely, these controls are used. That is sap.yum.page. Every view typically contains one main page as its container, provides structure for headers, content areas, and footers. sap.yum.panel, a great way to group related fields with a title. It can even be expandable to save space. V-box and H-box aligns atoms vertically or horizontally, essential for controlling spacing and positioning of group elements. Icon bar creates tabs at the top of the pages to separate different sections of content logically. And the fourth one is list and table controls. sap.yum.list, perfect for simple collection of items, displays data in a vertical list format with standard Fiori styling, ideal for scenarios where users need to scan through multiple items quickly. sap.yum.table, the responsive table automatically adapts its presentation based on screen size, hide columns on mobile devices but displays full data on desktops, requires aggregation binding to populate with real data source. So these are few tips. That is, first one is use correct button types. Second is link table labels to fields. Third one is enable value help. Fourth is implement suggestions. And fifth is choose responsive tables. Thanks for watching.